Thank you for coming back to another episode of Baking in My Rice Cooker here on Life of Pang. Today I will be making a vegan banana bread with cranberries, raisins, and walnuts. Hi, hello to my subscribers. You guys are amazing because you took the time to hit that subscribe button. You boosted my channel to over 10,000 subscribers. Yes! I want to thank you personally for hitting that subscribe button and watching my videos every week. I never knew that just sharing my videos on why I bake in my rice cooker would help so many of you. And I'm so happy that you can finally bake even without an oven. You are inspiring me with your wonderful comments and challenging me too with your requests for more vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, and keto-friendly recipe. Please know that I will genuinely try my best to put out a variety of videos. Please continue to comment and share my videos with your friends. As a reminder, the full recipe will be below this video. If you're on a mobile device, go ahead and get out of full screen mode and then you will see an upside down triangle. Click on that and it will expand. If you're on a computer browser, make sure you click on the show more words. It's a couple line right below the publish date. So let's get baking in our rice cooker. And these should be pretty ripe bananas so that you can easily mash them. The mashed banana will be about 1 cup to 1.5. It does not have to be exact. I'm using a 1/2 cup of cranberries and a 1/2 cup of raisins. Then I'm chopping my cranberries and my raisins because I want the natural sweetness to go ahead and mix into the batter. To this we'll add 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of coconut oil. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Just stir it lightly until it's incorporated. And then we'll add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. Then just use your spatula, mix them until blended. Do not overmix, that increases the gluten. And then add your chopped walnut. Just stir until blended. And I'm gonna line my rice cooker with a baking paper. And just scoop your batter into the rice cooker. And if you notice, the batter is almost like a cookie dough texture, just a bit wetter. Just spread them out evenly into the rice cooker. And let's start our first bake. Don't forget to put on your timer for 30 minutes so you can come back and hit that cook button again. Alright, it's after the second bake. Let's check and see how the bread is doing. Oh, looks like we still need more baking time, so we're going for a 3rd bake cycle. This is after the 3rd bake cycle, and it looks like my chopsticks coming out clean. Although I do see some moisture on top, So I'm going to turn on the rice cooker and leave the lid off to just evaporate some of that moisture. And this bread feels dense and heavy. Let's cut into this thing. It's actually really moist to cut into this bread. And the color may not look so great here, but I can tell you that my non-vegan family loved it. Try it. Bake it in your rice cooker. You'll love it. It's delicious. You are so awesome for watching my video to the end. Please give me that thumbs up down below if this video was enjoyable and helpful to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And that notification bell too, so that you know when I upload new videos and you don't miss any of them. And I would really appreciate it if you share my videos and my channel with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe as well. But until next time, happy baking!